Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for coming. I very much appreciate you guys watching every time I post a video. It truly means the world to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So today we are going to be doing our Allure beauty box unboxing, and this is, if you don't know, a $15 a month box, and I have been very impressed with them. It is a monthly subscription, so they do charge you monthly and it does get sent out. Generally, this box takes a little bit longer than the rest of them. Normally, this is like the last box that I get every month. But it's worth it. Like, I've been getting really good products. And the bags that they used to put in them were breaking. But last month, they did a different bag. So I'm hoping this one is a different bag. I did see a spoiler that it was like a green bag. But I hurried up and clicked off it. So I didn't see what kind of bag it was. I just know the color was green. Because I don't like to be spoiled on what's in our boxes. Because I like to, to see the reaction with you guys when I open them up. So, without further ado, you guys are here to see the box. So, let's get into the box. I have been a member of Allure since December. And I think that every month, it gets better and better and better. So, let's see what's in this one. Open it up and things fall out. Sorry about that. You open, and it is green. Okay, open it up, and that is what I see, and I love the color. And this is what fell out. So this is a bauble bar. It looks like it is a jewelry website, and it's a $20 gift on a purchase, so that's in there. And then this is your little thing. I don't want to go through it because every time I do, it spoils everything that's in it. But it is a little book that tells you all about everything that's in your box. And every month there is such a beautiful person on the front. Like, it's so nice though. Okay, so let's get rid of the box. And oh, there's another paper in here. What is this? Summer Glow Guide. Exclusive offers inside. Okay, so I guess it's just like a little coupon, like, book, advertisement book. All right, so what is out of, I think I have this. I'm pretty sure I just got this. I don't know what box I got it in, but I'm pretty sure I just got this. So this is the SGX NYC, the Do It All 3-in-1 dry texture spray. I think I might have got this in my Birchbox. I think. Okay. So, this is a dry shampoo meets hair spray. Is this in the book? Because it's on the back. That's why I was reading it. I don't know if it's in the book or not. Let's see. I don't see it. So, I don't really have a description of it. But it's a 3-in-1 dry texture spray. Volume, refresh, hold, dry shampoo meets hairspray. So, that is that. And that is 1 ounce. So I do love getting those kinds of things because I love dry shampoos and stuff. So our bag is the same as last month. It's just a green one opposed to a orange one. And I really like these bags. They're awesome. And it's not broken. I love it. My other ones were cracked on the sides. So there's our bag. And the first item I am pulling out is Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. Okay, nothing wrong with that. Now let's see if I can find it so I can read a little bit about it to you. Okay, so here is that. It says, where has this slightly cooling, never irritated eye savior been all my life? I love using it for midday touch-ups. Oh, and they just do, it's like from the editors that say something about this product. I just squeeze out a drop and pat it over my 3 p.m. concealer. A few soft taps, even out late day crustiness, wipe away mascara smudges, and generally make my eyes look happy and hydrated again. It's also an acne makeup base because, ignore the name, it's not a cream, it's a gel. It dries quickly but not tightly, and I notice slight depuffing and subtle brightening immediately after using it. Its active ingredients are vitamin C and E and antioxidants that guard against pigmentation and collagen breakdown. And it is $35 for a full size. I'm so hot. All right. Oh, and it is kind of already leaking out, so that means there's enough in there. Don't know if you can see that. Doesn't have a smell. That's good. I don't like eye creams that have smells. And you can't see it. It definitely right in, like she said, it's a gel. It's nice. I mean, not knocking it. Good. I'll use it. I love eye creams. Next item I'm pulling out is Moroccan oil. For all hair types, Moroccan oil treatment. I have to get on this oil bus. I'm not a big oil person with my hair because I just washed, although I am sweating, but I just washed it and it already looks greasy. That's why I love my dry shampoos. So I'm very scared of oils. I will definitely try it because everybody loves these. But it says my processed hair drinks up all of this silicone-based oil. So even if I accidentally put too much on, the effect is never greasy. See? When my hair is damp, I use fingers to rake a quarter-sized blob from my roots to my ends to tame flyaways and frizz. After blow drying, I usually smooth on a nickel-sized blob, focusing all the ends of my hair. I also use it on days when I don't wash my hair. On those mornings, I often wake up looking like Einstein. I put a couple drops on my ends to help weigh down my hair, and the smell so nutty and warm. Full size of this is $44. Now you do get 0.34 fluid ounces in this. So I'm going to try it, you guys. See what I think. All right, next item is floss. My new favorite lip gloss. I love getting lip glosses. I love lip gloss. It's like my new favorite thing in the world to get in a box. All right, so is that? Oh, because it's two different languages. Okay. So this is the English. It says, Floss, my new favorite lip gloss. I've been hoarding lip gloss since like 1999, and Floss, my new favorite lip gloss, has lived up to its name. Here's how. The formula is thin, so it feels lightweight and comfortable on lips. The doe foot applicator spreads the gloss on easily without creating a sticky mess, and the tube is squeezable, so you can use it every single drop of the product. But the most winning feature has got to be the shine factor, which is somewhere between a balm and a gloss. It makes my lips look healthy and plumped with a pretty sheen that's more versatile than a full-on lacquer effect. My eye makeup is never the same 2 days in a row, so having low-key lip product that pairs well with whatever look I come up with is essential. And this is a $16 lip gloss. Never heard of the brand. That's why another reason I love these boxes. Packaging's kind of cute, actually. It's just like she said, a squeezy tube, but I like how it's a squeezy tube and a doe foot. So if you have like if you have the Color Pop So Juicy ones, do I have it over here? I do. They are squeezy tube, but they are not doe foot, and I'd rather have the doe foot. You see how it's just like the regular lip gloss thing? This one has the doe foot on it, which I love. Smells good. Oh, it smells super good. And it is clear as can be. I don't know if you can, yeah, you can see that. That is there. Excited. Love it. No complaints so far. All right, moving on to the next product. It looks like there are 2 more products in here. So I'm going to pull this out. And this is the Brow Gal. Tanya Crooks. Oh, I'm dropping everything. I'm sorry. Try to get this out of its package. There we go. So that's a pretty big product too. And it has, okay, I have never seen anything like this before. Now I've seen them in the lid, but I've never seen it like this. Look at the sharpener on the end of the lid there. That's so cool. So there's your pencil. And I'm guessing this has a spoolie. Yep, has a nice little spoolie. What shade is this? This is medium brown, so that's good, because that is what I will be using. And it's a little rough swatching it, but hopefully it will soften up. Maybe I have to sharpen it at least once or twice. So where are you? You are right here. That's cool. I like the sharpener. I love it. Like I will definitely, after I use this product, keep the cap. That's so cool. And put it on other things. It says, a lot of brow pencils are so creamy they can look fake. Not this one. That's why it's swatched like that. Okay. It has the perfect waxy consistency for creating believable fullness that's not too heavy or too uniform. I always focus more color on my arches than the rest of my brows, which is a tried and true makeup artist trick for achieving natural looking gradation and avoiding the dreaded angry brow look. This is $23. The box is $15. This is $23 alone. And that's full size. And so is that lip gloss. Okay. Love it, love it, love it. One more product. This is something else I've never heard of. And it's like, I don't want to butcher names. Like, I really don't, but I have to because I can't pronounce this stuff. So, it is that. Event. I don't know. I'm not going to say it because I might offend somebody. So it is, this hydrating facial mist will be in my purse from now until Labor Day. I take it everywhere because it's great for soothing hot, irritated sun, aka my face, all summer long. This can be filled with thermal spring water from France, hence the name. So it said the A, whatever that is, hence the name. The water there is naturally rich and minerals to help nourish sensitive skin like mine. And it is priced at $18.50. I don't think this is the full-size product, but it is a lot. There is 50 milliliters in there. And let me see if I can get this open, because I definitely want to spray it on my face. I am super hot and sweaty and gross, and I want to spray it on my face. So, let's see what it does. Watch this be super aggressive. Let's see. Oh, no, it's not. Oh my gosh. You guys, that is so nice. I don't know if you can see, like, the spray. It's super, I'm not going to waste it. It's super nice. It feels so good. Oh my goodness. Love it. I'm sorry. I'm getting excited over a water, like a water spray or something. All right, so let's recap. We have this. We have our brow pencil. We have our dry shampoo texturizing spray that it's pretty aggressive. Now my hair is soaking wet from that because I sprayed a lot of that water stuff, and the sweat doesn't help. So that's nice. It smells good too. Now I'm soaked. All right, sorry. So these three, we have the eye cream, we have the lip gloss, I'm dropping stuff again, and we have the Moroccan oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items for $15. What do you guys think of the Allure box? I think they kill it. I love it. I will continue to get it. It's doing way better than a lot of the boxes that I get for that price range. So I am super stoked to see what's in next month's box. Let me know in the comments if you guys received this box and what you guys got, and if we are box twins or whatever, if we get the same thing. I'm always excited to hear what other people get. That's why I love filming my videos, so I can go and watch all the YouTube videos on everybody else's boxes, but I do wait until I film mine. So, thank you guys again for coming. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video, or subscribe to the channel. And I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you for coming and have a fantastic day, guys. Bye.